You know that moment in the grocery store, standing in the aisle, comparing two products, flipping them over, reading both labels, wondering which one to choose, and walking away still unsure. Now imagine that same feeling, but with a few extra zeros on the price tag, and your entire organization watching. Choosing an ERP is already one of the biggest decisions a company can make. Add AI to the equation, and the decision gets even more complex. Is SAP the right fit? Is now the right time? Can we get everyone on board? The pressure is real, and no demo, no matter how polished, can answer those questions for you. That's exactly why ERPsim exists. Think of it as a free sample before you commit to the full cart. In under 3 hours, you and your team step inside a live SAP S/4HANA environment and actually run a business. Not a guided tour, not a slideshow. You make real SAP transactions to manage processes like sales, procurement, or finance, and see exactly what happens. And here's where it gets interesting. You're not alone in the simulation. Other teams are competing against you, including AI-driven players. You'll navigate SAP's Fiori interface, work with real-time analytics, and watch AI agents make decisions right alongside you. By the end, you don't just understand what SAP can do, you felt it. No pressure, no commitment, no invoice. Just a small investment of time and a much clearer answer to the question you've been trying to answer for months. So instead of guessing in the aisle, try the sample. Ready to find out if your organization can win with SAP? Your ERPsim session is waiting.